Alright boys, we're heading towards the place I've never been, so we're gonna suss it out. Let's go. So we're gonna have to go through this pen. There should be an opening down there, but I want to read what the sign says. National Parks and Wildlife Service, Dillsbury Park, New South Wales Government. Fines apply, that's alright. I can pay it off. Look, there's a bloody bone. Who knows what that's from? Could be human. Who knows? Ah, you're right.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust, so many plays.
Wow, look at these holes, bro. Massive. Hell. Oh, what? That's sick. What? Oh, look at that view, bro. Oh shit, can I go here? Is it safe? What? Bro, that is sick. No, oh, I'm scared of heights, man. I'm not gonna go any more than that. But wow, look at that. Fuck, this creek is scary, man. Look at that. Finally got here, man. I remember seeing this on YouTube, and just always wondered. Hopefully that's alright. Just always wondered where this river's been, and I finally found it. Without even, you know. Oh, look at a guy on a jet ski. Oh. Oh, what? No way! People have used this clip to drive the car even. Well, I must have put a rock on accelerator. Zoom.